Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to run your Bootcamp utility on your MacBooks so that you can run Windows on it. So first of all, you're going to want to go to the utilities file and find your Bootcamp assistant, or it's easier actually to do a finder bar search for it. So once you have that pulled up, you're going to press the continue button and uncheck the selection for download the latest support software from Apple. It's not necessary, it just takes some extra time. So once that's done, you're going to click continue, and this is the step where you partition your hard drive. Part of it's going to be for Windows, and the other part is going to be for your current Mac OS. I generally like to have about 150 gigabytes for a Windows operating system. And then once that's done, you're going to get your Windows 7 installer disk and put that in your disk drive. And once you have inserted the disk into your disk drive, you're going to press the install key, and it will start to partition your hard drive and install the software on the newly partitioned space. So once that's done, all right, and when after it's done partitioning the hard drive, the screen will boot back up once you restart it, and it'll come up looking like this. It will load the Windows files, and then it will proceed to a preferences screen where you can set up the Windows installer. Alright, so now we're going to go to the preferences and set up Windows 7 on your Mac. Let's see, that's all good. Then you're going to click install. License agreement, of course, without reading it. Alright, so you're going to want to choose the custom setting, and then you're going to want to find the disk space that you partition to use Windows on. You're going to click your selection, then you're going to want to click format. It will tell you it's going to erase any stored data on there. That's fine. And formatting will take just a second. And then once that's formatted, you're going to want to click next. And it will start copying all the Windows files to your Mac. Alright, so once the files have all downloaded and stuff like that, Windows will restart again, and it should come up with the Windows screen that you're all familiar with. Alright, and then once it's restarted, it'll come back to the list of showing what it's all done, and then once it's done completing the installation, you will enter your product key, and you should be good to go. Alright, and then after it's completely done installing, it will restart yet again. And then you'll enter your product key and other information. Alright, and now you're going to enter a username. We're going to enter Connor's name for this one. And then you want to put in your password. And then the product key. Alright, and then once that's done, you should be able to log into your Windows account. And you're going to want to use recommended settings. The date and time should be automatic if you're connected to the internet. Or it will as soon as you connect to the internet. Alrighty, and now you should be set up to go with this. It's just the basic Windows software. You will need to download the audio and video drivers if you want some better graphics and the sound to work with your MacBook Pro. And one final thing, guys, is to switch back to your Macintosh hard drive. You're going to power down your machine, and then when you boot it back up, you're going to hold the Alt-Option key. And once that is held, you'll get a screen looking like this, and you will select which hard drive you want. The Windows is in the middle, and the Macintosh is on the left side. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.